Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC care. Today we have Dunkin chocolates, donut flavored filled chocolates brownie batter, milk chocolate shell with brownie batter flavored cream filling, 2-pack, not to scale, so it's not the right thing on not the actual size. 1.41 ounces or 40 grams. Price was 50 cents at a store called Ollie's. Dunkin is a restaurant that says donuts, coffee, and some breakfast type sandwiches. You can pause to read the ingredient label if you so choose. Okay, they kind of look like donuts. That's cool. Let me sniff this one. Oh, that's what I'm getting all over. Let's take a bite. That is delicious. I'd still say the PS bar, Cadbury in South Africa is great. But this is an 11 out of 10 all day. Dunkin chocolates, donut flavored filled chocolates brownie batter. Only place I know that sells this is Ollie's. Check it out if you can, and if you've had one, what do you think of it? How do you like it or not like it? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good. Decent. Collect what you like. Be safe. Look out for the guy, girl to your left. Look out for the guy, girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, your yummy food, your music, your video games. Have good, yummy treats like this Dunkin brownie batter flavored chocolate. And remember to use your sharp blades. Boker Keyhone Automatic. Bye.